Alrighty, we got Ginger back. She found the pillow and she had a good time by herself for a minute. So when she got dropped off last night, she's like, "You want me to let her go?" And I had the 50-foot long line. She's like, "Yeah." I said, "Ginger's trustworthy." She's like, "Is she really?" I was like, "Yeah." But when they haven't been here for a while, I'll always put the long line back on. Said she's a good girl though, ain't she? Oh, this food is a little bit smaller than your last food was. Ready? Get it. I'm gonna try not talking and just see what she does. See if she remembers the game. So I think, like for me, I had, until I got a couple dogs like her, like before she came. Well, I was gonna try not to use the words. She jackholing around too much. Found the stick. There you go. One out, one back. 3, 4, 5 right here. Ready? Get. I gotta get back into it. Ain't a big deal. We ain't in a rush, right? Oh, I dropped one forward. That don't help. Right, you want more rewards right here. Right. It's 1, it's 2, it's 5 right here. What's worth more, right? 5 or even more. And I should be using my marks too. Hey! You finding leftovers from Tank? What was I gonna say? Right, so I thought I'd never. Oh, that's right. There's some leftovers from Tank right there. I guess I'm not gonna see if she remembers how the game was if I'm throwing back, right? So there was a point, like I would always do 3 of everything. 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 there. You can reward whatever they do, right? Once you get it down. But there was a time where I was like, okay, I'm gonna try not talking. And I went to switch up what I was calling. And so even if I called here, she'd go here until we did 3. Once we did 3 here, then oh crap. Once we did 3 here, then she'd go over there. Ah, crap. What's up with my fingers on this little food? Ready, middle? Good girl. Screw that not talking stuff, right? Ooh. Ready? Get it. Let's see. Side. Hey, side. Good. What was I talking about with her? Oh, I let her go run free this morning. Ready? Get it. Let's see. Front. So part of it is, oh, trust, right? So part of it is some dogs you can trust more faster. You just see how much more focused on you they are, whether you had the food or not, right? Get it. Ready, middle? Good girl. Ready, get it. Let's see. Heel. Not good enough. Good. Ready, get it. Oh crap, I threw 2. Heel. Let's give her the hand target. I mean, for me, that's pretty good. I don't care. All right, get it. I just don't like them straight sideways. Heel. This is a new thing I started doing with Tank. There you go. Let's do a moving heel. Where do you get it? Oh, in the grass. Like, at some point you should be able to call him away, right? Heel. Very nice. Good girl. Good girl. It's been a while, so we give him a break. Here. And sit. Oh, very nice. Looked like she was going to come with me. No. Oh, shit. I dropped one on the ground. Good. Down. Good. Crap. Ready, heel. Good girl. Oh. Ready, heel. Good. Yes. Haha. Good girl. Did I talk enough? Yeah. She's a sweet thing. Oh, no, I didn't. And then there's the work level, right? So I say she's trustworthy here, right? Because we've done a lot of work here, even though has it been 2 months? Oh. So she's a breed I trust faster than other dogs. And we've done a lot of work here, right? So, and I've seen, like, she's been beelining to someone, and I've called her, and now one time she did get away, and I got her and I corrected her in that spot and brought her back. Yeah, get it. Right? Get it. Oh. Yes! We've never worked on this thing, have we? I didn't have this when you were coming. This is Tank's little toy. Yeah. She don't like the pillow. She's going for the rope every time. Ready, jump it? Oh, good girl. Yes. Wait for eye contact. Give it a toy. Right. So there's here we got a biker coming. I'm gonna let her run. Could you see her? Hell no, it's over on the thing. Get it, girl. Good job. You can't have the food in my right pocket. So the biker's getting close, so we're gonna grab her. Not make a big deal out of it. I'm just gonna see what she does. I don't remember her ever chasing after bikers. You're a good girl. Squirrels, on the other hand, they're frisky. Good girl. What's going on, buddy? Right, so I understand her mom saying she's not trustworthy because she hasn't done as much work and hasn't seen. So that happens, right? And not only that, like over at the park or somewhere else, I wouldn't trust her like I do in this field, right? Because we haven't done any work anywhere else. Only this field and that field. Like if I was to take her to, what's it called? I would trust her some, but not that much. Okay. Oh, get your squirrels. Right, does that make sense? So let's see, can we call her away from the squirrels? Right. She's over there. She's over here. Oh, now she came over here. Ginger! Good job. Good job. Okay. I don't know where the squirrels are though. They were in that tree over there, but she came over here, so they must be in this tree. Can you see my finger? See me pointing? See where she's going. Ginger! Right, now she's blue jiving. She stopped and come back a little bit. She's in the smell. Hey, over here. Good girl. There's one that's one that I'm not super sure about. Right, because it gets into the chain of events. She was not coming. Do you still reward her when she finally does come? Or are you rewarding that chain of events? So you just gotta watch them, Mike. You ready to just go play this? Did I talk enough about that? Oh. A work level of trust. Some of it is just the breed. I'm not a very trusting person. I never plan on having dogs just be free out here. You're a good girl. Freebies. Do freebies. Does that count as a freebie, or does it count as rewarding that she's calm, checking in, standing there? Dude, how are you gonna try to pee on my pillow? Alright, let's go walk around the corner. Or you wanna just play this? Huh? She gets to just play nowadays. Hey. Right? She's doing good at her daycare though. Now that she's learned to regulate herself. All right, whatever, dude. We're out of here.